In today's video, I am going to teach you how to resize image in Wix. Resizing an image in Wix is a simple process, but it is important to understand the different options available, because the way you resize an image can affect how it looks on your website. You can adjust an image visually by dragging it on the page, or you can use the settings and media tools for more precise control. Let us walk through the process slowly so you can follow along with confidence. First, log into your Wix account. Once you are on the Wix login page, enter your account details and access your dashboard. After logging in, you should see the sites connected to your account. This is where you will choose the specific website that contains the image you want to resize. Next, select your site and click Edit Site. This will open the Wix editor, where you can make changes directly to your website layout. Give the editor a moment to load, especially if your site has several pages, images, or design elements. Once the editor opens, you will be able to click and adjust the content on the page. Now find the image you want to resize. This may be an image in a section, a banner, a gallery area, or a simple standalone image placed on your page. Click directly on the image. When it is selected, you should see a border around it, along with small handles around the edges and corners. These handles are what allow you to resize the image directly on the page. To resize the image while keeping its original proportions, drag one of the corner handles. This is usually the best method when you want the image to become larger or smaller without stretching it. By using a corner handle, the width and height adjust together, which helps maintain the image aspect ratio. This keeps people, objects, and logos from looking distorted. Move the corner slowly until the image fits the space the way you want. If you need more control over only one direction, you can drag the side handles instead. Dragging a side handle changes the width or height independently, depending on which handle you use. This can be useful if you need the image to fit a narrow space or align with another element on the page. Just keep in mind that adjusting only the width or only the height may change the proportions of the image. Watch the image carefully as you resize it so it still looks clean and professional. Once the image is close to the size you want, click the image again and look for the Settings option, which is usually shown as a gear icon. Selecting the settings gives you access to more detailed image options. This is helpful when you want to make a more precise adjustment instead of relying only on dragging the image handles. Using the settings can also help you fine-tune how the image appears within its frame. From there, click Manage Media. This opens the media-related options for that image. In this area, you can work with the image file and adjust how it is displayed on your site. This is especially useful if the image needs cropping or resizing beyond the basic layout adjustments in the editor. Next, select the Crop and Resize tool. This tool allows you to adjust the visible area of the image and control how it fits inside its container. You can use it to crop out unwanted parts of the image or resize it so the main subject is better positioned. Take your time here and make sure the most important part of the image remains visible and properly centered. After you are satisfied with the crop or resize adjustment, click Apply. This confirms the change inside the Crop and Resize tool and brings the updated image back into your editor view. Review the image on the page to make sure it looks the way you intended. Check that it fits well with the surrounding text, buttons, or other design elements. Finally, click Save to confirm your changes. Saving makes sure your resized image and layout adjustments are stored in the Wix editor. Once saved, your changes will remain in place the next time you return to edit the site. And that is all there is to it. You have now resized an image in Wix using both the editor handles and the built-in image settings tools.